Hi, welcome to PlugP. In this Unity C# tutorial, I want to show you how you can rotate a box around the X, Y, and Z axis using a simple C# script. So first you can download this Rotate3D C# script from our website. Link is in the description. I'm going to drag this and drop it in the assets. Now let's just make a new 3D object, maybe a cube. Be sure to put it on 0, 0, and 0 for the position. And now what I want to do is to also make a create empty game object, call it Rotate3D. And what I want to do is to drag and drop this Rotate3D onto this game object. As you can see here, there is a geometry container. So I'm going to drag this cube onto this geometry container. Be sure to put the position also to 0, 0, 0, which is going to be the center of the cube. Now, if I just rotate this, this is going to rotate it around X, around Y, and around Z. So now let's take a look at the C# script. First, we have to use the Unity engine, obviously. Also add this execute in edit mode, so you can make all instances of the script execute in the editor. And now we have the public class Rotate3D. So the header Rotate3D is obviously the text we have shown up here. Now we have 3 sliders. To make the sliders, you just have to make a range between the minimum and maximum. Because it's a float number, we name it F. And also a public float rotate X with the default number of 0. And just copy paste this 3 times. So we have the rotate X, rotate Y, and rotate Z. Now we have these 3D sliders in the inspector. We also define a public game object called geometry, which is going to give us a container so we can drag and drop our geometry or game object in this container. At the end, we have to write this private void on validate, which is this function is called when the script is loaded, or which is going to be the sliders change. Now to rotate the geometry, we have to say .transform, .rotation, and equals to a quaternion. And I'm going to use this Euler so I can rotate it around float X, Y, and Z. And that is exactly the rotate X, Y, and Z. And that's how you can rotate simply anything around the X, Y, Z axis. Be sure to put the position to the center of your game object, for example, this cube. So if I want to give it a new game object, I can just right click. So for example, let's make a 3D object like a cylinder. Now I can just give this cylinder to the Rotate3D game object, and you can see that I can rotate it around X, Y, and Z. Be sure to put the cylinder position to 0, 0, and 0, so it's at the center of rotation. And now you can see that we can rotate it around the X, the Y, which is going to be obviously like this, and the Z. And that's how you can use this Rotate3D Unity C# script. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified about new C# scripts we release every week. See you next time. Bye.